So the first thing you need to do, if you haven't done this already, is go to learn.omicslogic.com. Once you go here, this is the primary platform you're going to utilize to access your courses, your lessons, and all the information within this training module. And once you get to this page, all you have to do is click on register for free. It should be front and center here below this information. If you don't have an account already, just click on this little create an account. It'll change how this window looks from sign in to sign up. And it'll have one or two extra boxes to fill in some information like your name, your email, and then the password you would like to use. Once you make your account, make sure you sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Make sure you hit sign in once you've entered your information. And it'll take you to a page like this. Now, I recommend for the easiest interaction with everything, if you're looking for the programs you've signed up for, to click on your profile name. So it'll say here, it'll list your email. Welcome back. Click on that, and it'll take you to your profile. This is what your profile should look like. You may not have a description here, but you're welcome to add one in, and you're also welcome to link any of your socials to your account. This is down here, you'll see your level. Most of you that are starting fresh will be beginner, and you shouldn't have many points. To get points, all you have to do is complete asynchronous courses and complete the program steps that you're working with. Now, once you're added to a program, once you have been put in the program, you've completed registration, you should see the badge come up down here. You will have asynchronous courses, which once you start a course and you have completed any aspect of that course, whether it's the first part of a lesson or the first lesson, you'll see it show up here, and it'll show you the percentage that you've completed. You can see here I've completed Python course 1, and there's a certificate associated with each individual course. Now, this certificate will look a little different once you've completed your program, but you'll receive something very similar. It'll look something like this. And like I mentioned, though, it'll be customized to the institution you're coming from. So if you're LSU, it'll look a little different. LBRN, it'll look a little different. And the individual that signs this here for you will also be different. So for example, LSU, you'd have Dr. Gus Kasulis here. LBRN, you're likely to have Dr. Chris Taylor, and so on and so forth. This is kind of what your certificate will look like once you've completed the training one. There's also another way to access your programs. Once you've been added to the program, you can go to your profile page, you can click on programs, and your program should come up here. And it'll also show you how many of the components of each lecture have been completed. So today was the first lecture for Introduction to Bioinformatics, and it became available. I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab so you can come back here in a moment. So this is what the page looks like. You'll see your profile information pop up here. But you can see here, here's today's lesson. Here's the additional resources, which for those of you that want to complete the information beforehand to get into the more advanced training models, here's where you're going to find what you need to access. So you got to complete all of these before you can be added to the other lesson plan. And then once you've completed everything in this particular lesson, you have to go here and you have to hit complete lesson for it to be tagged as complete. And once you complete all of the lessons associated with that, you'll get the certificate for the program.